At Mitsubishi Electric, we make booking a service and maintenance visit simple and stress-free. Here's how it works. First, our scheduler will contact you by phone or email to arrange a convenient time for your visit. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email with the scheduled date and an estimated time, either morning or afternoon. On the day of your appointment, our engineer will call ahead to provide their estimated time of arrival. Upon arrival, the engineer will present their ID card for your peace of mind. Before beginning any work, a quick safety check will be performed, and the engineer will take the time to listen to any questions or concerns you may have. Once the work is completed, the engineer will notify you that the job is finished. If no further work is required, the engineer's report will be emailed to you. If additional work is needed, the engineer will explain the details. At Ecodan, our goal is to ensure that every visit is smooth and stress-free. Thank you for choosing Ecodan to heat and service your home.